What's up, you guys? So unfortunately, the inside dash, something in there has been rattling and it's been really annoying. I mean, thank God I was able to find a post on I think it was Bimmer Post. I'll link it in the description, but actually multiple people have had the same problem, and somebody detailed an amazing post on how to fix it. Here's a little video of what it sounds like. Might not be the best quality, but hopefully you can get the gist. So yeah, as you can see, it was super annoying rattle, and it really only happened in Sport Plus, which was weird, but here's what's gonna happen. So this cover right here, something in here is rattling. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off. We're gonna put some Velcro, around a couple of these tabs and then put it back, and hopefully it should be all good. So I'm using a card here and putting it under here to push in these little tabs, if you can see them, and they're kind of scattered around. All right, so I'm using a flashlight here because it's pretty dark, but basically you'll use the card, push in these initial tabs, which if you guys can see, you can kind of push these in. Once you get these lifted, you can work your way around and you don't need to use the card anymore. So just use a little bit of force, be gentle. Obviously this is a trim piece and you don't want to break it, but so now we're in business. Now it's open. So in the post, let me zoom in real quick. In the post, it's these right here. So piece of tape goes on this one, piece of tape goes on this one, or Velcro tape I should say, and then on this piece down here, this guy right here, this little piece. We've got the Velcro tape, so you just take this piece off and basically stick it on. So this is the softer side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut little pieces. One to go on this little piece right here, it'll focus, this little piece right here, and then the other two pieces in the car that I showed you. It's fixed. Let's go. Thank God. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you could see from that video, the problem is now fixed. I'm so thankful for that. Hopefully, you know, if you guys had that problem, it'll now be fixed. But either way, thank you guys for watching. Tune in to the next video. Thanks. God bless. See ya.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Up in the morning like Pronto, look in the mirror, got my eyes hanging down low. I don't know why.